In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson XP400 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is just for a while until the reset is done. After you disable for a while your antivirus, you can get the resetter, the link on pinned comments. After you download this resetter, you can just extract the resetter with right click and select extract here. After that, you can refresh if the file is not C. You can open the folder after that and double click in adjustment programs, and you can click accept. In here, you can click particular adjustment mode directly and select washing pad counter on the maintenance tab and click OK and select main pad counter. After in this tab, you can just click check button. After that, you can click initialization button. After the resetter works, you can just click finish and turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. If the resetter doesn't work, you can try to use another port on the computers, or make sure the printer is already on and connected with the cable. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson XP400 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.